Your Bluetooth is on, but it just won't connect. Mouse not pairing, headphone connected but no sound. Don't worry, in the next few minutes, I will show you the exact working fixes that solve Bluetooth problems of any device. And yes, one of these methods will definitely fix yours. Press Windows plus A and turn off your Bluetooth. Then restart your PC and turn it on again. Also restart your Bluetooth device. Simple, but this fixes 30% of cases instantly. Remove and repair devices. Press Windows plus I, then go to Devices. Click on these options. Then click your devices and remove devices. Then click Add Devices. Then click on Bluetooth. Then reconnect. Corrupted pairing data often causes connection failure. Restart Bluetooth services. Press Windows plus R, then type here services.msc and click OK. Then find Bluetooth support service, double click on it and set the startup type is automatic. Click Apply and then stop and start the services. As the same, double click on Bluetooth audio gateway services and startup type select automatic and stop this service and start it again. Then click Apply and then OK. Run Bluetooth troubleshooter. Click on the Start menu and go to Settings. Go to System Settings for Windows 11. And if you are using a Windows 10, then go to Update and Security, these options. Then from the left side, click on the Troubleshoot. And click on Additional Troubleshooter. Click on the Bluetooth and run the troubleshooter. Then wait finishing the troubleshoot options. Then close the window. Press Windows plus X button and click Device Manager. Expand the Bluetooth options. Here is my Bluetooth adapter. You have to select your Bluetooth adapter, then right click and update driver. And search automatically for drivers. Select these options. Close. Again, select this one, Intel R wireless Bluetooth. Right click on it, then update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Okay, close this. If not fixes, then right click on your Bluetooth adapter, uninstall the device. Uninstall it. Then close this window and restart your PC. Driver reinstall automatically. Check airplane mode. Press on Windows plus A and check here. If the airplane mode is on, you have to off this. So click on it and turn off the airplane mode. Registry repairs. Press Windows plus R button, then type here reg edit and click OK. From the user account control window, Click here, yes. Then you have to find your registry editor window. You have to navigate this path. Before changing the registry, you have to create a backup. If you don't know how to backup your full registry settings, then check this playlist. I have already discussed this topic earlier. Then navigate to this file path. Expand the HK local machine. Then expand system. Then expand current control set. Then expand services and find BTH port. Here it is, BTH port. Expand these options and expand the parameter, these options. You have to find these options devices. Click on it. Delete these keys from here. Delete these keys from here and restart your PC. If you have noticed that the device is connected but no sound, then right click on the speaker icon, then open sound settings, click on these options. From here, select correct Bluetooth device from these output sections and close this window and enjoy. If this video fixes your Bluetooth problem, comment Bluetooth fixed below. If it didn't, tell me your exact error. I reply to every comment. Don't forget to subscribe to Infotrix for real working Windows fixes.